dito kami bibili ng ticket. Jabal Musa.
What?
Restoring the homes
As
of
part
our
of the
forefathers.
Mommy, look inside.
من 12 ضلع على 4 أو الولدين أو كده
هيدا بعيد؟
هاي 10 وعندك 45 دقيقة راحة 45 دقيقة راحة مشكلة طلوع الراحة أو سحب سحب ونتفة طلوع ولا راحة بالرجعة طلوع؟ ايه كيف يعني؟ بالراحة سحبة وبالرجعة طلوع؟ هلا نحن كيف بنكون رايحين؟
Amir, should we gonna take this?
يلا
Yes.
نقدر نعرف نحامل
Akala ko kasi ano siya pagdating namin hindi na ano pala.
أهلا وسهلا
Dito daw kami maglakad-lakad. Yeah, should be high dahil see. Next. Oh, we know that we here.
Follow the rocks. Look.
Nogan, Jabal Musa,
Lake Trail
Lake Trail.
يلا هنا هذا بدنا انت ونحن ماشيين
Before we used to walk 1 2
في snake
Yay! Mag-hiking kami. Ganito itsura namin. Akala namin beach. First time namin pumunta dito. Naka-sleeper pa kami ni Cheyenne.
You two are on the key.
What?
When it's hiking,
To?
bring only هذا sack on the back. I didn't pay attention to check what you did. It's my mistake. I trusted your decision.
Oh.
My mistake. I should know.
Oh.
I should know. I'm sorry, I should know. I will carry هلا 10 kilos in my hand all the way for 45 minutes. هلا كيف عم carry كويس. Okay. حالك. هيك. Okay. I'm tired and I will rest now.
Look, the sun coming. I
Take a rest, eh?
I should have wished, but no.
Yes, I know, Shayhan, I know. And I told your mom, I texted her. You wanna go there? Hiking and swimming? I wrote it. I wrote it.
If you didn't get towels,
Mommy never reads.
you didn't get towels enough to load.
Mommy reads the comments of the.
You would?
Grapes ito guys, oh. Wild grapes.
Mommy, you brought everything? Like towels, new clothes?
No?
Then, keep your swim. Huh? You brought towel and new clothes?
No,
for
you
us?
will not swim. We will see what is that place. I'm curious. Hiking tayo. Kahit hindi na ako pupunta sa beach, magpainit ako. Pagod na si Mister.
The way back, it's not from here.
Where?
That's why we don't meet people going back.
Ah. But where are the others? Doon kami galing.
Yes. Undertaken. Look. Hey, hey. And I'm holding here like him.
May dala kaming tubig.
You two are unlucky.
No, it's okay for me. To show one entrance.
1 kilometer and a half.
Maglalakad kami ng 1.5 kilometer. So, what is this trail
Can
13?
hold this for me so you don't.
What is hot? And we are running slippers. Oh, you will break your knees.
Good exercise. Hiking.
Hey, especially you're eating too much.
Anna,
Too much chips.
Anna, I eat chips.
Too much Uchi these days, every day. You will be as fat as this woman. And you will begin to sell Uchi then.
I will sell soon in Philippines.
Wait, really. Wait, really. Maybe I get tired. You don't want to catch me? سيبها هون راح تضحكوا.
Eh,
هون هذا. You don't want to catch me?
I should be the first to video you.
Walk. As long as baby can still breathe,
Hi there, your
daddy will take care of you, all of you.
hi there,
When
your
daddy stop breathing and dies, take care of yourself then.
hi there, your best exercise, huh?
Hiking?
Hiking. You need to hike.
Yeah, but you don't read. If you read yesterday what I wrote to you, but you are busy to read the comments. But what your husband says, yeah.
Well, I thought,
Hey, don't
yani
think,
we
don't think, don't think.
arrived.
Don't think.
It's,
Yeah, we arrived, then we jump in the lake. Hey, yalla.
Sand.
Hey, Baba, hey, we arrived here. This is the lake.
Dito nga tayo. Sinisisi pa
I wrote
ako.
hiking.
It's
Mommy
okay.
didn't read.
Ano, we use slipper in Philippines. Dapat nag-shoes kami, pero akala ko kasi hindi ko na basa yung comments ni Mr. Akala ko pagdating namin sa place, yun na yung area. Hindi pala, mag-hike pala kami. Kaya ito, ganito ang suot ko. Akala ko resort siya. Hindi pala. Ay, may mga tao. May kasama kami.
Like hiking in Snag. We are hiking here. Huh? We catch the fish.
Oh, look, they're going down.
Oh, no. On the same way.
We will ask if it's nice.
To cut your teeth, how they become more black and more dirty.
It's okay. I will wash there.
Hey, I want.
Fire hose. My fire hose din. From the people of Japan.
Yeah.
Hello. Careful, Kian, Cheyenne. Sabi nila 45 minutes daw. You want to rest?
No.
You're having fun, Kian? Good, ano, hindi siya mainit. Presko. Pagod na si Mister.
No, I will take selfie and send it to Roro.
Ah, okay. Yan lagi.
Will walk and you will be snoring.
Pahinga muna tayo, guys. Ah, taki yan. Picture pala na kami. Send namin sa hipag ko. Finish? May snow bar ito, pine trees. Ala, ang fresh air.
Oh, my heart is beating.
My heart is beating daw.
We are used to it. We're used to of the
I'll take on live.
Hello. Ah. Oh, paakyat na siya.
Can you put my butter inside?
Yan.
That way.
Yala.
They bring sticks. Either you buy it, it's closed. You open it, it will dig in the ground. If you slide, if you feel you cannot continue.
Ang trail ng araw namin ngayon.
Pa?
Look, mommy, walking all day. She walks by it. Then she walks in the house cleaning.
No, if you get used, hon, you don't get tired. Hindi ka kasi naglalakad eh.
Look at them in the back.
Labas-labas kami ni. Ayan, day off. Banding ng Khalil family. Si Mr. pagod na.
And I'm having
Hail, exhale. You will not get tired.
I'm having headache now in the sun.
Stronger inhale, stronger exhale.
I'm having headache from the sun.
And you are not walking.
No, the headache made the sun.
Son, you have a headache. Let's rest on the side, in the middle. Ian is tired.
Be careful. Wow. Ganda ano? Hello guys. Andito kami sa gitna ng bundok. Kung saan kami napadpad.
Still not full of water?
Mm.
My God. Tina water.
We need water yan.
هذا for me for us.
But
It's hot.
I'm happy.
It's hot. خلص على الكبسة.
Han. Hot?
Wasted.
You want water? Hide in the bottle.
I'm carrying.
This one is more cold.
شو هي for who?
Kalas for us. No, Fee, I have one. Don't throw.
It's full but it's hot.
Okay.
شو بدي احمله؟ في غير هيدي؟
Fee. But it's not cold. Hida, it's cold.
اوكي.
Careful, you drop the bottle though.
يا بيا اوكي. Enough. Yeah. Too much water, you cannot walk. Yeah. If they are hot, throw them.
No.
Who know? If they are hot, throw them. I'm carrying any hot things, hot water. Begin to walk. So he said 45 minutes. So we will know. Most probably. After how many hours we'll arrive.
I want to
You're
make
making videos?
Yes.
Hiking Mr. Kian. Habbat al-Banayta.
This endemic salvia spices was discovered in 19th century by the French botanist. Orchid siguro ito, no? It was discovered in Jabal Musa by the Professor George. Ayan, oh. Jabal Musa. Jabal Musa. Hayda the one.
No.
Mish Hayda? Nashi.
Can you hide down on the rock?
هذاك أثر موسى.
It's okay.
No, that's castle.
Put the button.
Kasal mo.
Wait, Mommy, stop.
Wow, I'm excited to see what is that, guys.
Because honey, you slide. Mommy, do like this. Do like this.
People are coming. Yala, they are coming, Habibi. Yung mga nag-hike din. Oh, naliligo na sila.
How did the bag? Why you didn't bring the bag?
I know.
How did the one we put on our back?
I know. We have, but
How did it do?
it's okay, guys. Next time, if we know. It's okay. Lano, you're not strong. Your bones is very weak. You need to walk. You need to walk, Habibi. We are kids. Meron na kaming kasama. Sure.
How you will go down?
Be another way, Mama.
Hold the needle.
Pull on the steps. Where I stop?
Oh, my friend siya. Boston from ata. It's new, this place, Han. That's okay, you will wipe. Wow. Ang ganda, guys, oh.
Dozens of years.
Ah.
That's the picture head for hiking there. I think 15 or 20 years ago.
Oh. How we did not know before. How you see? Somebody told you?
No, they are talking.
No.
They made it more beautiful today.
The one who discovered this one is Jabal Musa. What then? Who is Jabal Musa?
The area here is called Jabal.
Ah, okay.
Inside your wing.
I think I can hear the water.
They discovered it by mistake.
Oh, itong place pala ito na-discover nila by mistake 20 years ago. And then
Not 20 years ago, hundreds of years.
100 years.
Hey,
Pero ngayon lang siya na-open. I mean, nag-click kasi pinag-uusapan siya. Maganda kasi daw. Si
20
Mr.
years ago, everybody is hearing about it. And they fixed it for tourism.
For hiking, ganon. Hindi ko naman alam na itong place na pupuntahan namin ay hiking. Akala ko pagdating namin sa area, yun na yun. Hindi ko nakasuot ako ng ganito. Pero nakaka-trail kasi ang ganda. Hindi mo ma-feel yung pagod ba? Be careful ate ah. So 45 minutes. And then sa pag-exit namin 45 minutes din daw. Pero hindi the same way. May way daw na palabas. Ay, kung alam ko lang na ano, nag-shoes ako. Pero okay lang. Kasi akala ko talaga resort siya, guys. Na.
This way we'll go it up.
In this way?
We'll go it up again.
Wala ate.
I can hear the water.
You need the waterfall? Alright.
I think it's down now.
Yeah.
Pero bakit yun?
Right, today you have to clean my shoes. Okay, down here.
Okay. Pababa na kami. So malapit na kami. Naririnig na namin yung agos ng tubig. Be careful ate eh. Because we are going down now. Ah, ito siguro isang shortcut. Ano?
No. What's on me?
Yala, ako ang mahuli. Tayo sa destination namin.
Not even tired.
Kasi 40, mabagal ay tawag ito, maano pa yung pupuntahan namin. Kaya ikat ko na guys kasi baka malobat itong camera. Meron naman ang extra battery kaya lang gusto ko i-video yung place kung saan kami pupunta. So, 30 minutes na kaming naglalakad.
I'm not even tired.
Ano yung nakasulat dito? Hindi mo ma-feel yung tired kasi nasa under tayo ng trees. Mafi hot. You're tired, huh? Eh? No, I'm not tired. I don't feel tired. As if I'm walking in the road. marami ng tao. Yala, kita kits sa destination ng Khalil family.
From up to the hair.
Oh my,
Look.
look, you can see the color green.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yung pagod namin nawala, nakita na namin yung lugar. Lake siya, ang ganda. Ala, parang Palawan. Pero syempre walang tatalo sa atin, Palawan. Ano lang ba, hindi pa kasi ako nakapunta sa Palawan, nakita ko lang sa picture. Pero ito, lake siya.
It's right to walk.
Yes, yung pahirap na siya, ng pahirap sa baba guys. Pababa na kami. Dito na yung place. Kita na namin yung lake guys. Ala, how nice. Eh? How nice the place. Andito na kami guys, ang ganda sobra. Pero walang ibon. Bala, yan. Crickets yung naririnig nyo. Wala, ang presko. Ang daming tao. Yung bus kanina doon is 4 ata or 5. Mga teenager, may mga matatanda din. Wala, ang fresh air. Wow, I can hear now. Ayun na siya, oh. Hi guys. Wow. Ah, ito pala siya. Oh my god. Oh, the lake. This is it? Huh?
Careful the nail.
They put so you don't
How do we reach there?
you go there.
That's it?
هلا نوصل لهون بس شباب ما في مزرعة تحت بلا في ناس تنزل من فوق بتطلع وتنزل افتكرت بس كل هالمشوار توقف لا
But why nobody swimming here, Han? It's deep?
I'm afraid of. I've never been there.
That's the one you see.
Look
The
at the rock. Look at
yes.
the rock. Come here. Careful the nail.
Hindi pa kami nakarating pero nakita na namin yung views. Yung view.
I'm tired.
Oh guys. Andito na kami. Don't. Yan. Galing sa taas to.
Mommy, come on.
Don't go. Halina.
Oh, I can go from here. Mommy, I'm
Ah, fit too much. Way, Han. Look.
Hey, Matthew.
Ah.
See to the lake.
grade 12. Look, there's also here. You like this?
Hold this one, Kian. Here, the wire.
Give me water.
Napagod na si Mr. For 45 minutes ba naman na lakarin, pero makikita mo na siya, mawala yung pagod. Wow, waterfalls, small waterfalls. Yes, we arrived. Pwede na kaming kakain mamaya ng prutas.
Yeah. Nothing's done. Yeah.
We arrived now.
Huh? Hello.
Bye.
Have fun.
Yes. Oh, very nice. It's cold.
Touch the water. My feet is clean now.
Yeah, we can.
Why you keep going up? Why it's down? I can't understand this. They want to torture me.
Because it's hiking, huh?
Okay.
Downhill, uphill. The family explorer. Khalil Explorer. To explore.
Stop.
Yala, I think 5 minutes we arrive.
I think 5 minutes is my finish.
Pagod na siya. Pagod na si Mister.
Now I'm tired, you know?
You can take shower, Kian. You remove your shoes. I take a bath. Oh, ito pala siya. River. Yes.
Tomorrow. Whatever you want.
I want to go, Mommy.
Yeah, go. Abby. Remove the slipper. You can go by feet. Yes, Mama. Every...
Rocks, I will step
No.
on rocks.
You can step, baby.
Yeah, we can go there.
Where? There?
Yeah, if you want there.
You remove your shoes, look in hand.
And socks, eh? And socks.
I'll go with
Eh.
my shoes.
No. It will not dry. So, ang ganda.
And
Daming
Mommy,
tao.
put the shoes in the bag again. Okay. I don't want my hat anymore.
Wala, it's not a ribbon.